Looking at a woodworking plan for the first time can feel like staring at a foreign language. Lines, numbers, symbols, arrows, notes, and small text. Many beginners open a plan, feel overwhelmed in seconds, and assume they are not ready yet. The truth is, reading woodworking plans is not difficult. It is simply a skill that becomes clear once you know what to focus on. The biggest mistake beginners make is jumping straight into measurements and cuts without understanding the big picture. A plan is not just a list of instructions, it is a visual story of how a project comes together. Before touching any tool, take a moment to look at the full drawing. Notice the overall shape. Identify the main parts, the top surface, the legs, the supports, the shelves. This simple step builds clarity and reduces confusion later. Think of it like assembling a puzzle. If you only focus on one piece at a time without seeing the image on the box, progress feels random. But once you understand the final image, every piece starts to make sense. Woodworking plans work the same way. When you see the final result in your mind, each measurement and cut becomes purposeful. Measurements are often the second source of fear. Plans frequently use inches and fractions. Numbers like 15/3 or 22 1/2 may look intimidating at first, but these numbers are simply precise ways to describe size. Precision is what separates stable furniture from wobbly furniture. Learning to read measurements slowly and carefully saves time, material, and frustration. One helpful habit is reading every measurement twice before marking the wood. This may sound basic, but it prevents many beginner errors. Rushing through numbers is like typing a password too fast and getting locked out. Slowing down creates accuracy. Accuracy creates better results. Symbols and abbreviations can also confuse beginners. Plans often include simple icons to show drilling points, cutting lines, or assembly directions. These symbols are not meant to complicate the process. They're shortcuts that communicate information quickly. Once you learn a few common ones, reading plans becomes much easier. Instead of feeling lost, you begin to recognize patterns. Material lists are another important section that many people skip. A good plan usually tells you exactly what type of wood to use, how much you need, and sometimes even suggests alternatives. This information helps you prepare before starting. Imagine beginning a recipe without checking if you have all the ingredients. Halfway through, you realize something is missing. The same frustration happens in woodworking when preparation is ignored. Tool requirements matter too. Some projects need only basic tools, like a drill and a circular saw. Others require clamps, squares, or sanding equipment. Reading the tool list first prevents interruptions. It allows you to set up your workspace with confidence. When everything is ready, your focus stays on building instead of searching for missing items. Following the correct step-by-step sequence is one of the most powerful benefits of understanding plans. The order of actions is rarely random. Each step prepares the project for the next one. Cutting before measuring carefully creates problems. Assembling before dry fitting can lead to misalignment. Good plans guide you through a logical flow that protects you from avoidable mistakes. Imagine building a small wooden bench. If you attach the legs before ensuring the seat is perfectly square, the entire structure may become unstable. But if you follow the proper sequence, stability happens naturally. This is why experienced builders trust structured instructions. They know that order creates efficiency. Understanding dimensions and scale is another skill that grows with practice. Plans may show a table that looks small on paper, but is actually large in real life. Visualizing size before cutting wood prevents surprises. A simple technique is marking the project's footprint on the floor using tape or chalk. This physical reference helps you feel the true scale of what you are building. Dry fitting is a step that beginners often ignore, yet it can save entire projects. Dry fitting means assembling pieces without glue or screws to check alignment. It's like rehearsing before a performance. You see potential problems early and fix them calmly. When everything fits well, final assembly becomes smooth and satisfying. There are also common mistakes that appear again and again when beginners read plans. Skipping notes in small text, misreading fractions, assuming that two pieces are identical when one is slightly different, starting the project before reviewing the full plan. These errors are not signs of lack of ability, they're simply signs of rushing. Slowing down transforms confusion into clarity.
Learning to read woodworking plans is not about memorizing rules. It's about building awareness, awareness of sequence, awareness of precision, awareness of preparation. These habits turn complex projects into manageable tasks. Over time, what once felt intimidating becomes familiar. If you want to make this learning curve even easier, there's a collection of beginner-friendly woodworking plans linked in the description. These plans are designed with clear visuals, simple instructions, and practical material lists. They help you focus on building instead of guessing. Many beginners find that having structured guidance accelerates their progress more than anything else. Confidence grows when results improve, and results improve when preparation improves. Each time you successfully read a plan and complete a project, your mind starts to trust the process. You stop fearing measurements. You stop avoiding symbols. You start seeing plans as helpful tools instead of obstacles. Woodworking becomes far more enjoyable when confusion is replaced by direction. Instead of stopping every few minutes to wonder what comes next, you move forward with purpose. Purpose creates flow. Flow makes time pass quickly. Suddenly, hours in the workshop feel productive rather than stressful. There's also a deeper satisfaction in understanding how projects are designed. You begin to notice why certain supports are placed in specific positions. You understand how weight distribution affects stability. You see how small design choices influence strength and appearance. Reading plans becomes a way of learning craftsmanship, not just completing tasks. Over time, this knowledge gives you creative freedom. Once you understand how plans work, you can modify them. You can adjust dimensions. You can combine ideas from different projects. You can even sketch your own designs. But this freedom is built on the foundation of learning how to follow structured guidance first. Many people believe creativity means starting from zero. In reality, creativity often grows from mastering existing systems. A builder who understands plans deeply can innovate with confidence. A builder who avoids plans may feel free at first, but often struggles with consistency. Discipline plays a quiet role in all of this. Taking the time to study a plan before cutting wood shows respect for your materials and your effort. It prevents unnecessary waste, it protects your motivation, and it builds habits that make future projects easier. Woodworking rewards patience and attention more than speed. When you slow down to understand instructions, your hands start to move with more control. Cuts become cleaner, assemblies become tighter, finishes become smoother. These improvements are not accidents, they are the natural result of working with clarity. Each completed project becomes proof that learning plans was worth the effort. You see tangible results, a shelf that holds weight without bending, a table that stands firm on uneven floors, a storage box that closes perfectly. These simple successes build lasting confidence. Eventually, reading woodworking plans stops feeling like a technical task and starts feeling like a strategic advantage. You know where to begin, you know how to proceed, you know how to finish strong. That certainty removes hesitation and replaces it with steady progress. Skill in woodworking doesn't appear overnight. It grows step by step, project by project. Understanding how to read plans is one of the fastest ways to move from confusion to competence. With each plan you follow, your mind becomes sharper, your hands become steadier, and your results become more rewarding.